F150 2013. Hello my friends, how you all doing today? Today I'm showing you I have F150 2013. My windshield wiper, where it's in off position, still will go, and also what I do it in the high speed position, it will not go. What we're doing now, we gotta change this one here, this piece here, and put a new one and see if it will work or not. There's 3 screws under here, we gotta take them off. Alright, I took those 3 screws from there, and the tool what I used, it's this one here. Pointy head. And those are the screws. Now we gotta move this piece here down to make it loose a little bit. We gotta take this one off. What we do, we gotta use a screwdriver. Try to push it a little bit. That's nice. One from this side and one from the other side. And it will come out easy. Let's see now. We pull this thing up. We'll pull this thing down from both sides. There we go. This piece come out. Now we have room to play with. There you go. Now what we gotta do, there is this piece here and this piece here, but there's some screws. If you notice, there is a screw, one here, one inside. We gotta turn the steering wheel, we gotta turn the car on. Or we can see how. There we go. Now we can see all 3 screws where we gotta take off. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Alright, the tool what I'm using, this one here, like an L shape. I put it inside the thing and I just there we go. This one almost coming out. We go to the second one. Twist it too. There you go. Almost coming out. And we go to the last one. Last one, it's little hard. We gotta use the small head. And we just twist it like this, little by little. There we go. It's coming out, if you notice, slowly and beautifully. Maybe you need a few turns. There you go. Now it's out. I would just grab it. There you go. Perfect. Now we have everything. Now what we gotta do, we have to twist. There's some here. You just pull it up, try slowly, see those things, and there is some down. I don't gotta do it now, until I get to the dealer, get the new piece, and I will change it, and I will show you how to do. Take them off and put the new piece back again. All right. Move these two things. This is for the leg here. All right, I moved this thing. One, twist this one from here, the other one from here, and you just push it down and it will come out. Easy, very easy. Now we gotta take the top one. Same thing, there is some here, there's one here, and one down here. Okay, and you just twist that one from the top and from the bottom, and it will come out. And that's the piece. That's what we gotta change. Okay, I went and I bought a new piece. It's like 50 some change, $50 and some change to replace this one here, and that's the number of that piece. And this is the piece. It comes back from the box. Let's see. Looks good. What we gotta do, we just gotta push it back here. Let's see if it will be easy. There we go. All in. Fast. Easy. Easy to put it in, but it's later hard to take it off. There we go. It's all in. We'll put now the other piece back, the one for the legs. There we go. Easy. Very easy. Now, all together, let's turn the car on. Put the steering wheel up. There we go. Turn it on. Let's see if it's working. It's off. One. High speed. High speed. Turn it off. Let's see if it will come on a couple minutes. We're waiting to see if it will come on. Watching if it will come on back. See if it will come on or no. What we gotta do, we gotta put this thing back, close it. That's good. I think it's good. We did a good job. We gotta fix this thing here. This piece can stay outside. This one go inside. We gotta. It didn't come on. That's good. That's good. All right. I'm going to turn the truck off. All right. We gotta fix this piece here. What we gotta do now? Oh, I forgot. I need to open it back when I get to the house. Then I'll put the screws back in from the other side. Put back everything back. All right, now we gotta put those screws back. The ones where we took. One in the top here. And we twist it. Just have it little. There we go. Then one here. And the last one, it's a little tricky, but we make it happen. And okay, I put it back like how it was before. Now we gotta just close this thing. Same thing what we did early. Keep playing with it with this side and this side here. Alright, now we gotta put those screws back in those holes, in those 3 holes, and you are good to go. Thank you, and give me a thumbs up if you like my job. I'll put the steering wheel. Everything looks good, like nothing. We didn't do nothing. There we go. There we go. All looking good. We'll put the steering wheel up. I like it up. We turn the car on. Everything looking good. There we go. Turn signal working. Left, right. Water for the windshield. Working good. First speed, second speed, high speed. Turn it off. Let's see if the headlight will come on. Headlight on. Everything working good. Excellent, excellent. Good job. Thank you, thank you. It was a fix for 50 bucks. When you go somewhere else, they will charge you 300 bucks. Not even maybe 20 minutes of work. Just have 2 tools to have. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.